everyone! The Salema Porgy, scientifically known as Saltwater, is a captivating species of marine fish commonly found in the eastern Atlantic Ocean, the Mediterranean Sea, and the southwestern Indian Ocean. This small, silvery white fish, adorned with distinctive golden stripes, is often referred to as the dream fish due to its peculiar and somewhat unsettling characteristic, the ability to induce vivid hallucinations in humans who consume it. The source of these hallucinogenic effects lies within the fish itself. Through its diet, primarily consisting of algae and other plant matter, the Salema porgy accumulates a specific toxin within its tissues. This toxin, the exact nature of which is still being researched, interacts with the human nervous system in a way that disrupts normal sensory perception and cognitive function. When consumed, the toxin from the Salema porgy can trigger a range of unsettling experiences. Individuals may encounter vivid visual and auditory hallucinations, a distorted perception of reality, and altered states of consciousness. In some cases, memory loss and disorientation can also occur. The intensity and duration of these effects vary significantly from person to person, making it difficult to predict the exact outcome of consumption. The hallucinogenic properties of the Salema porgy have been recognized for centuries. Historical records and folklore suggest that the fish was utilized in various cultural contexts, often within traditional ceremonies and rituals. Ancient Roman accounts even allude to the recreational use of the Salema porgy to induce altered states of consciousness. Despite its intriguing history and unique properties, it is crucial to emphasize that consuming the Salema porgy can be extremely dangerous. The unpredictable nature of the hallucinations, coupled with the potential for adverse side effects, makes it a risky endeavor. In some cases, the experience can be frightening and even life-threatening. Therefore, it is strongly advised to avoid consuming the Salema porgy altogether. While its hallucinogenic effects may seem intriguing, the potential risks far outweigh any potential benefits. If accidental consumption occurs, it is essential to seek immediate medical attention to ensure proper evaluation and treatment. The Salema porgy, with its captivating appearance and unique properties, serves as a reminder of the diverse and often surprising wonders of the natural world. However, it is crucial to approach this fascinating creature with respect and caution, recognizing the potential dangers associated with its consumption. That's all for now. See you in next video. Goodbye.